What if a few brush strokes could brighten up your day amidst this rainy gloom? Stay tuned with me till the end to see how this can be done. Welcome to your favorite art channel, ArtEWorld. At the outset, please be noted that if you find the speed of the video too fast, you may adjust it in your settings. This time we are painting directly on the paper, no line work, no thumbnail sketch, just a random composition. Let's see how this can be done. For reference, simply mark out lightly a horizon line a little below the center of the paper and then proceed. Leave a round paper white for the sun slightly off center of the paper, and then work up the sky in intermittent shades of multiple colors including lemon yellow, gamboge, orange, crimson red, magenta and ultramarine blue. You'll have to merge the paints smoothly and seamlessly while they are still wet, avoiding any hard lines separating them. Remember, although I am using a hot press paper here, using a cold press watercolor paper always makes this kind of merging a lot easier and neater. We are doing a very simple composition here with a bright, colorful and cheerful sky, some mountains at the horizon, a small meandering stream in the center, flanked by again some bright colored banks on both sides of this stream, and then a lone tree on one side. Exactly something to offset the rainy gloom this season as we set out to do as mentioned in the very beginning. This will also indicate a nice sunrise or dawn time of the day. So let's continue painting the sky in this colorful fashion and then proceed further. Now that the sky is done, let's paint the meandering stream in the center by simply painting the reflections of the sky colors. Do refer to my 2 other videos on this topic later on where 16 such other watercolor techniques have been explained. The links to these videos are given in the description. The material list and shopping links have also been given in the description. You may have a look at them later on. Now let's paint some distant mountains. For this we'll be using intermittent shades of magenta and ultramarine blue. Throughout this painting we'll have to consider our light source to be the sun, and so all surfaces facing the sun will be in lighter values and those against the sun will be in darker values. Now for the banks of the stream, again we'll have a nice colorful mixture of lemon yellow, orange, sap green, magenta, some vermilion hue, etc. As usual, these are the base layers and we will refine them in subsequent layers. We can now paint the lone tree in intermittent shades of magenta and ultramarine blue. Now let's refine the painting wherever required in darker values, keeping in mind the light direction. We can add shadows for the tree so as to give the painting a three-dimensional look. Wherever you need lighter values, you can simply add more water than the pigment, and for darker values you can use more pigment and less water. You can have lighter shades nearer the horizon and make it gradually darker as you move away from the horizon. So keeping all these things in mind, let's continue refining our painting wherever required. Watercolors have a tendency to turn light as they dry, so they may not look the same after drying as when you actually painted them, and so you may need to paint over in several layers until you get the desired result. Do comment below whether you liked this artwork. And if you are painting along, do post your work on Instagram by tagging me. I would certainly like to see how this helped you. You can comment below what other landscape or other theme you would like to see too. Now that we are coming to the close of the painting, we can add some finishing touches here and there. Let's add some birds flying in the sky. This will add some life into the painting. This is definitely an impressionistic painting and not a realistic one, and so we need not add too many details. So that's it, our painting is done. It was so much fun painting it, I have to say. I hope you enjoyed it as much too. If you liked it, do give it a like and hype the video. Also subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of our future videos. Share the video with your friends and post your valuable comments too. You're most welcome to enjoy all other videos on this channel too. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.